Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to add or modify your payment types in Genius POS. Thank you.
Okay, go to the setting, then scroll down, go to the payment type. Okay, as you can see, this is all of the payment type. So if you want to add, just turn it on here, then you tap. Let's say I want to add boost. Then for the payment type, just choose others. Then for the setting, okay, if you got the rounding, let's say for example 4 cents to 5 cents or 9 cents to 10 cents, just turn it on. Then just click set and save. When you do the payment, it shows boost here. So for the payment types, if you go to the setting, if you turn it on the drawer, means that it will open the drawer automatically when you pay by cash. So for the Visa Master, go to the setting. If you turn on the credit card info when you check out, it will request you to fill in the credit card info. So it will show it here. So for the setting, if you turn on the signature required, so it will request your signature, for example, then just click confirm and exact checkout. So it will show like this. So if you turn on the print extra receipt, then it will print 2 receipts. If you turn on for the auto checkout, means that when you click pay, let's say for the Foodpanda, just click exact, automatic, it will check out the bill. So for the prompt tips, first you need to go to general, then scroll down. Then from no, you need to change to by percentage or by price. So let's say for example by price, just click save. Then when using the payment method, you will prompt tips. Other than that, you also can set for extra surcharge. So for all those payment method, you can check on the report. Go to the expediting daily. So it will show payment methods. Other than that, you also can refer to the payment reports. Or you can refer to transaction report. You'll show like this. Pay by different payment methods. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, chào Genius POS, chào A Seng lah.
Cari POS system, cari A Seng.
Find Genius POS, find A Seng.
A Seng.
Chào POS system, chào A Seng.